Is Valtteri Bottas going to Alfa Romeo in 2022? With George Russell looking more and more likely to get signed by Mercedes for next year, it was thought the Finn driver would go back to Williams, just like Raikkonen did in 2019, swapping places with Leclerc from Ferrari to Alfa Romeo. But now, sources report that there's been talks between Alfa Romeo team principal Frederic Vasseur and Bottas regarding him joining Alfa Romeo next year alongside Antonio Giovinazzi. Valtteri is 10 years younger than Kimi and wants to prove that he is capable of being a number one driver, so he could be a valuable option for Alfa. So in my opinion, he will go to Alfa, but even if he doesn't, I really hope he stays in F1. He has a lot of talent and deserves to be more than a wingman. Where do you think Bottas will be in 2022? Let me know in the comments, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and as Sebastian reminds you, hit that bell. Thank you.
Ring ding ding.